Oui, bonjour les Français, c'est moi, Madame Dire. Just wanted to do a quick clarification for you because I've gotten some questions and I wanted to make sure that this particular part of the subject pronouns was clear. When we talk about nous or we, you can also use a person's name et moi. So par exemple, James et moi. James and me. That will equal nous. So if you see it someplace else as James et moi, what I want you to know is that they're meaning the subject pronoun nous. James et moi, James and me, nous, we. Likewise, you might see that with person's name et toi, which means vous. Like Lily et toi, vous. Lily and you all. So if I am talking to both my kids, I would say, Lily et toi, James, you all need to go do this thing. Just a quick note here too, for il, pluriel, and elles, pluriel, you might see those pronouns, they and they, as a list of names. So par exemple ici, Joss et Sylvie, both are feminine. This is Madame using what we have at home. Okay, all are feminine names and we connect them with a and, so however many there are. Joss et Sylvie, elles. As long as they are all feminine names, you can represent that group as they or elles. By contrast, if you add just one masculine name in there, it now becomes il, because il is to represent a group that has at least one person who identifies as masculine. So when you see a list, Daniel, Joss, et Sylvie, they are represented as il. There is at least that one masculine name. Merci beaucoup. Hope that helps a little bit, just to clarify nous, vous, il, and elles, and how you can use names as well when you talk about those pronouns. If you still have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Merci beaucoup. À bientôt.